Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to make a carrier. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop yet, please click the link in the description box below to learn how to make one yourself. Let's get started! First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop. Hook one end of the loop onto the thumb and pinky finger of your left hand. Keep the strings parallel. Hook the other end of the loop onto the thumb and pinky finger of your right hand as well. With your right hand pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left palm. Then, with your left pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string running between the two vertical strings on your right palm. From above, the figure should look like this. Now, with both pointer fingers, pick up the two strings in front of your pinky fingers. Hook those strings over your thumbs as well. Next, gently release the strings from both pinky fingers. Now, we've come to a bit of a confusing part, so watch closely. There is a loop around each pointer finger, as well as a straight horizontal string. We're going to bring that loop to the front of the pointer finger. But when you do this, you need to look from the back of your pointer finger and make sure the horizontal string stays on top of the pointer loop. Do the exact same thing with your right pointer finger. Make sure the horizontal string is above the loop on your pointer finger when you bring the loop to the front. We're almost there. Now, for the thumbs, this step is completely different from the pointers. For your thumbs, you need to keep the loop on top of the horizontal string. Then, bring the horizontal string over to the front of your thumbs. If you make a mistake here, the final figure won't turn out correctly. The final step is to hold the loose string down with both thumbs and twist both hands outward. Now, this is a carrier. Let's do it one more time. Spread the string loop. Hook the loop on thumb and pinky. And do the same to the other side, to thumb and pinky. With right hand pointer, pick the horizontal string of left hand. And with left hand pointer, pick the horizontal string in between two vertical strings. With both pointers, pick up the strings in front of the pinky and hook onto the thumb too. Let go of the string from pinkies. First, loop comes over the horizontal string. both pointers. Yes, loop comes over the horizontal string. Now thumbs. Horizontal strings comes over to the loop. And pull down the loose string down and twist your hand to the outward. There you go. Now this is a carrier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know how you did in the comments below. And remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching.